About this item: safe and secure. This Bluetooth adapter has FCC authorization. The FCC ID is 2A4ROM6, and has CE certification, complies with regulations, are legal for sale, operate in accordance with FCC authorization, comply with applicable industry standards, and do not interfere with other electronics. For those related certificates, please check our image display 3-in-1 design. Support Bluetooth receiving, RX, Bluetooth transmitter, TX, FM transmitter mode. Equipped with HD LED display, working status and Bluetooth mode are clearly visible. With multifunction buttons, one key switch mode, or play/pause music, simple operation. Built-in high-definition microphone, support wireless music listening, hands-free call, navigation, let you drive more safely. Bluetooth 5.0 HiFi sound. It features advanced Bluetooth B 5.0 chip to ensure HiFi stereo lossless Bluetooth audio signal for music streaming to auxiliary or RCA input speaker, car, or home stereo system. Multiple interface options, built-in digital to analog chip, support 3.5mm auxiliary, RCA, digital optical, coaxial, USB, memory card, TF interface. Comes with auxiliary cable, RCA cable, USB charging cable. It can satisfy all of your connection needs and match with various audio devices with both Bluetooth and non-Bluetooth function. Rechargeable and excellent battery life. Built-in with 500 mAh battery that supports the receiver for non-stop streaming up to 8 to 10 hours, long standby time of 30 days. Can be used while charging. Enough for music and hands-free call in a long road journey. Comply with safety certification, longer service life notice. When you find that you need to reset your device multiple times,